That island is Bob Marley's producer's island. We're not sure of his name, but there's a house and it's very private. And then over here is Eddie Murphy's island. Just looks like there's a lot of trees. I see a couple of rooftops. I'm not sure what all that is on the other side. And then the 6 jet skis will soon turn to 12, and at a rate of 150 or so an hour, you can enjoy a jet ski to take you to both of those islands. And that is how those people pray over their livelihood. And then underneath this tent is a lady who is about to start hanging dresses and shirts and scarves and offering hair braids. And again, that is her livelihood.